guys, what's up? It's me, Sahim from SahimTech, and welcome back to part 3. Okay, so part 3. If you haven't watched part in Introduction to Microsoft Word part 1 and 2, don't forget to watch them because the links are in the description, because you have to watch them because I've already covered a few tools in those videos, and we have completed the clipboard, font, paragraph, and the styles group. So today we'll be only looking at the editing group. So in the editing group, we have a few tools here: find, replace, and select. Now, these tools may seem to be useless, like, they're small. They are very useful. I'm going to show you its uses. Okay, so now first, let me paste the text, which I usually paste, the same text. You may have noticed in part 1 and part 2 in introduction, I usually paste the same text, which is this. Yeah, I usually paste this piece of text, right? What is Microsoft Word? Let me close this window. Okay. So the first tool here we have is the find tool. Now, find tool. Now, what is Microsoft Word gonna find for me? Well, I'll show you. When I click Advanced Find, you can see a small dialog box will appear here right now. In this one, it says Find and Replace. So we'll be looking at the replace also in a moment. First, let's look at the find tool. Okay, so it says find what? Now they're asking me what to find. Okay, so I want to find billion devices. Okay, let's say you were typing and you want to find one particular word. Okay, you want to find Microsoft. No, let's find is. Okay, is. Copy, and then let me paste it here. Okay, so paste. Right click, paste. Now these buttons are now highlighted. Right now I can click find in the main document or in any other. We'll find next directly, or you can just reading highlight, like it'll just tell. It'll just highlight all. That means it'll highlight all the is in my document. Or you can just or if I select this option, the reading highlight, they will only show is one by one. So I want it like that. Find next. Now you can see the first is has been highlighted. You can see this is. When I click again, the other is being highlighted. When I click again, the other is. When I click again, another. So it's finding all the possible it can find is. So I gave is, so it's is. It's confusing. Now it's finding another is over there for this. Oh man. Okay, another is, and I think there's one more is. Okay, there's another this with an is. Discover is. Now it says once they're completed finding all the possible is they can find, or whatever input you get, it says we're finished searching the document. That means they have completed finishing the whole document, because that's the only is Microsoft Word can find. So that's cool. Now let's hit cancel. Now let's try it again by using the next option, advanced find. This time let's find 2. Let's find 2. Copy, paste it here. Paste, and I'm changing this to highlight all. Now once I click on that, you can see in my document all the 2 as is being highlighted, all the possible 2 Microsoft Word can find. You can see there are a lot here. When I click find next, you can see all of them are highlighted. And now when I click find next, you can see they're also being highlighted in brown too. So they're being highlighted in 2 ways. So that's cool. You can just highlight it the way you want. It's so awesome. So you can just find any text you want. Let me close. Okay. Now it's highlighted it for me. Now I'll have to just remove all the formatting. Control A. Okay, good. Then we have the replacing tool. Now, what is replacing tool? Now, click on that, and then again, a small window will appear. It's similar to the previous one. And when I click find, you can see I'm back to the one we just looked at. Click replace. Okay, close the cancel. Replace. Okay, so it says, what should I find? Okay, now let's do a funny thing here. Okay, let's say I wanna replace 2. That means I want to find 2, and I want to replace it with is. So that's going to be funny. Okay, so I want to find 2, and I want to replace it with is. So I type the details, is, and now when I click replace all, or let's say find next, you can see that first two it can find has been highlighted. You can just replace it directly. You can just replace all, then automatically Microsoft will find all the possible 2 it can find, and it will automatically replace it with is. Let's do that. replace all, and now it says all done. We made 10 replacements. That means in my document there are 10 2's. Okay, close. Now when I'm reading this, it's gonna be funny. Okay, in this to Israel. Okay, so the 2 has become is. Let's find other ones. Let's see. Yeah, everything is being highlighted. Okay, here's just a sampling on how is use it. So it was how to use it, and it says how is use it. So over here also office today. It was today, now it's is day. So now everything has gone wrong here. So now let me just do the changings again. Replace. Now let's put it back. I want to find is, all the is I can find, and I want to turn it into 2. Replace all, and now it says we made 20 replacements. Okay, now it's going to be a bit problem again. Close. Now you can see it says in it's now this one was in this, so it became 2. So now both the ways it's gone wrong. So let me do Control Z. Okay, so that's back to its normal way. Okay, so we're completed with that. Now we have the select tool. You can select all, then everything in your document will be selected. Or you can just select objects by dragging. I don't have any object. Let's insert a shape. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw a shape, but now I'm just drawing one. Let me go back to home. Select object, and let me select this. Okay, you can see it's been selected. Cool. Okay. And you can even see other selections. You can just open the selection pane, in which you can just select a rectangle. You can hide and show the rectangle. You can show all or hide all the objects in your document. So that's cool. So guys, I think we reached the end of our tutorial, which is part 3, and make sure to watch introduction part 1 and part 2. So guys, in the next tutorial, we have completed the home tab. Now I want to tell you a small tip here. Now if your document looked like this, and only when you click the tab these will come, and when you click on your document it goes away. If that's the problem, click home or any other tab, then make sure you click the pin. Once I click the pin, it will be pinned there. So that's better, because it's also a bit annoying when it's not pinned. Now when I click the arrow, it's back like that. It's annoying. Like I have to click and then bring it back. So you can just pin it directly, it will be there again. So guys, I'll meet you guys in the next tutorial, which is part 4, and we'll be looking at the insert tab. And guess what? What in the insert tab? The pages and the tables group. So guys, thanks for watching.